Dynamic Virtualization Open House. Let's go into the Innovation Center. Hi, John.
Hi.
All right, what do we have going here?
Several demos on desktop virtualization and services abstraction.
All right,
white
got a
papers
nice
for
collateral
people.
table over there. And then we've got a couple of demos.
This one here is on OS and application streaming.
Cool was created by the IT Emerging Technology.
All right, and what demo do we have over here?
And this is going to be on remotely displaying OS images to consumer devices such as the iPad and the iPod Touch.
Oh, well, maybe you could show it to me.
Sure. Basically, start up our Citrix receiver, and we type in the password. And open the application. And what's happening here is we have a computer on the other side of our lab, which is, actually we'll turn that to a landscape mode. This is a streamed OS that is running on another machine in our lab. And what we're doing here is actually having the display be thrown to this device instead of that. So the processing is still happening on the streamed desktop, but the presentation layer is being reflected over here to the Citrix receiver running on this device. And so, we can blow things up and take a closer look, or we can just move the windows around. We can start new applications, if we want to look at the control panel. So if we're on remote support call or something, we can go in and we can open up administrative tools and do some fix on the machine or whatever the case may be.
Oh, well, very, very cool. And we can not only display it on the iPad, but we've also got it working on the Touch as well.
That's right. And simply the same exact process we would go through with the iTouch. The screen, the form factor is obviously much smaller, but with the ability to pinch and zoom, there's definitely in a situation where you're out at a movie or something and you get a support call and you need to take care of a problem right away. It could definitely be a great help.
I don't know if I'm going to do that while I'm at the movie.
Yeah, that actually happened to me once, which is why I said that.
Okay.
And here we have a demonstration of our Zen client, which is based on the Citrix Zen client Type 1 hypervisor. And we've got two machines here which are essentially running the exact same configuration. One of them happens to be focused right now on an IT client build running Windows 7. The other one is running XP. But what's happening on each machine here is if we go to just type Control-0, we go to the hypervisor layer underneath, and what we can see here is that we have a standard corporate image running Windows 7, we've got a software development environment running on Windows XP, and we've got a personal image. And all three of these coexist as separate virtual machines on this particular PC, and none of them is a host OS.